that's why he spoke about the respect thing.
Yeah, respect, yeah. Doesn't mean...
If you're next to your woman in that circumstance and a man smiles, we're not talking about a friendly smile, whatever. We're talking about a more flirtatious smile. It's not about, in that circumstances, let's say the guy is clearly being disrespectful, but he's shooting his shot. Now it's up to the woman to respect you in that scenario by not engaging in that flirtatious smile.
Yeah, fine.
That's what we're talking about.
That one is different.
With your scenario, you mentioned that the lady was beautiful. You appreciated her body, and then you responded back to her smile by giving her back that same
you're getting
gesture, that's where he came up with the whole disrespect.
No, you're actually not getting what I was saying. Yeah? A woman look at you. I didn't check her body or whatsoever. I look at her face when she... I didn't have the time to quickly look at her body. Come on.
You mentioned. If I wanted to... You made them beautiful.
I don't look all those things. Being honest, I don't look all those things, to be honest. I wasn't looking at that. I wasn't even there. To be honest. I wasn't even there. She just looked at me, smiled at me. You know? Sometimes you are in a position whereby you don't get that often. Because you're living with somebody doesn't mean she's smiling. You could be living with a very miserable person.
Yeah, no, I say it could be, and I'm not saying don't smile at people when they smile at you, but in the context of she's very beautiful and she's
she's beautiful. Like
I say it more as flirty than flirting than.
I was young. I was very young. I was like 19, 18 at that time. Yeah. But still. The person gave me a smile. I wouldn't return that smile with something else. I would want to respond. It now depends on if she they shoot short. I would know. Say she they shoot short. You know, if you just see me one time like that, make you just they shoot short anyhow. Do you understand where I'm coming from?
You know, one of the things I want to link it to being toxic. You know, one of the things that thing can cause is that you cannot control what goes on in the mind of your woman.
Yes.
There will be a lot of assumptions. And most especially when that woman is unable to confront you and discuss that matter with you. And it goes on like that. Unresolved stuff like that can get a woman or a man to a point of being toxic. You cannot control because it's an assumption. She can just assume that that's the way you do. You flirt with everybody. And the cost is not discussed. So I think in that point, if I'm the woman, I want to discuss that matter.
It's not going to change that I love big ass. Not big ass with good shape. It's not going to change that I love a woman with a nice shape. That's not going to change. It's never going to change. It's either I watch it alone or you watch it with me. So you choose one. So that's how it goes. Anyways, that's all I've got to say.
We underestimate the power of attraction. We underestimate the power of sex, for example. Most people, after getting pregnant or after getting married, become lazy, become tired. They don't want to do it anymore. You know, for me, those things are very important in a relationship. That's what makes the relationship. Let's be factual. Let's be real. Those things are very, very important. People have broken up because of sexual frustration. Now, if you discover that you're that type after marriage, this is a new discovery about yourself. That after marriage, this is who you are. This is what you want. Your partner is not giving it to you.